In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to find saved videos on YouTube. So let's get started. So here we are on YouTube, and let's go into one of these videos and save the video right here. So basically, right here in this video, to save this is that I just simply need to click here on the three dots right here and click on save. And from here, I can now save this video into a playlist. And basically, we can view that in the playlist. So for example, I'm just going to go and save this into watch later. So remember the title, focus, music for work and studying and so on. So now we're going to go back. And now once you're here, you want to simply navigate here into the left menu, click on playlist, and then you want to choose the playlist that you have saved your video on. So in my case, that would be in the watch later. So I could just find that right here, and it's here. Watch later. And from here, I should now be able to see that right here on this playlist. So I'm gonna find that, and I should now be able to find that in here somewhere, which is right here at the very last one, because this is my latest saved video in this playlist. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to do it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.